Hey guys, it's Lynette and just want to share with you guys the Allure Beauty Box spoilers, and this is coming to you live from my subscription addiction. Definitely check them out. They have an awesome site that shares every spoiler for every subscription box that you can think of, so definitely check them out. I'll put their link below. So the very first item that's going to be in every box from Allure will be from model Co Rose Gold Eyelite in the color St. Barth's. This is going to be a full-size product, and the next item that will be showing up is from Allure. This is by Jason Seo Erase Cleansing Exfoliating Brightening Powder. That will be a full-size product. Looks very nice. And then the next item looks like it's a full-size product from Laritzy Lip Gloss, and it comes in the color of Vibe. So that looks very nice. The next item that shows up, not sure of the size of this one, but this is from Laneige. This is a Waterbank moisture cream. I looked that one up online for the full-size product and it was over $20, so I definitely saw that one. And then the next items will be in variations, so you may or may not get these. So this first one is going to be from St. Tropez. It'll either be a self-tan purity bronzing water gel, or it can be a water face mister. Then the next item here is from Amorepacific Youth Revolution Radiance Cream and Masque. That one, I looked that one up. That was a really huge box, so I'm not too sure the size. And then the last item that's going to be in variations will be Nunzio Saviano Anti-Frizz hair sheets. So hope you guys enjoyed those spoilers. I definitely am excited for my next box. And if you dig videos like this, definitely subscribe and like them, because we're definitely going to share some spoilers, and we'll see you guys on the next video.